With Christmas being so nearby, I thought that I would just share a tool that I don't often talk about, and this is my sweater shaver. So from time to time, I will pull something out of the dryer and it will have a little bit of lint or fuzz on it. I don't really know where that comes from. I'm just assuming, things rubbing on each other, it makes it. It's very minimal, but this tool is very handy. And what I like about this one particularly is it has a really large surface, so you can do a lot in a little bit of time. And it's also rechargeable. So I was looking at a lot of the cheaper models and they require batteries. And I thought over time, the cost of batteries ultimately would just pay for the machine. So this one was about $25. And so it came with a charging cord and you just plug it in. Let's see, you plug it in and then plug it into your USB adapter. Super simple. And I probably charge it once a month. No big deal, but you can take it for traveling. You can take your cord, it fits, in your pocket. It's just so small. So one thing though, you guys, make sure that your project is very smooth and flat. These blades are really sharp. It works so good. You could easily cut a hole in your shirt if you're not careful, so pay attention. So you just hit the button and just go over your shirt. Now this one doesn't have a lot of fuzz or anything on it. I'm just using it for demonstration because it's absolutely beautiful. And if you are interested in getting this color, it's called Strawberry Skies, and you can get it from Happy Cat Tie-Dye, and you can find her on Facebook. I love this color. But that's it. You just go over it like that. And then when it becomes full, you just pinch it and pull it off. I don't want to do it over top of my shirt and make a mess, but it's great. So I have a link for this in the description box. And I just wanted to explain that this is an affiliate link and all YouTube channels have them. And if they say they don't, they're probably lying to you. I want you to understand that you are not giving me money. Amazon doesn't raise the price up to give me money. It's an overall big picture being an affiliate. They give me just a small percentage, like just a few cents for every click and every purchase. And anybody can become an affiliate, so you can do it too. It's not just because I'm a YouTuber or whatever. So I highly recommend this. Ask your friends and family. This is one of those purchases that it's not fun to make for yourself, but if somebody was to give it to you, you'd be so happy to receive it, right? So the Bymore sweater shaver. I love it. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.